It's January 1, 2024. Happy New Year. Hindi na nakapag-vlog kagabi na nagpupuntan. Si Odis, nagpicture. Tulog.
I was eating about the chocolate.
Chocolate?
Chocolate is my favorite. We buy chocolate coins.
Yeah. You ate a lot. Oh no, what happened to your teeth now? The cavity inside. Yucky. Let's go. Let's brush your teeth. Come on. Say to the guys, do not eat a lot of chocolate. It's not healthy.
And candy?
Yeah.
Candy chocolate?
Yeah.
I'm crying.
Happy Monday. Monday ngayon, ano? Happy Monday. Say Happy Monday, guys.
Happy Monday, guys.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year too.
Show them your, your clothes. 2024.
2024. 2024.
Yeah. Show them.
2024.
Yeah. Happy New Year, hindi ka pa nag-Happy New Year. Lasing kasi. Ano niluluto mo?
Sasanag.
Ito yung niluto ko kahapon, guys. Leftover. Yan. Si Boy Tungga. Pinainom ko ng maraming tubig, guys. Kasi kumain ng chocolate. More pa. Very good. Yan, wala na siyang napis. Pag morning, hindi na siya nagnanapis. Only box. Ayo. Punta natin yung mag-ama ko, guys, nasa baba.
Hindi ko kita.
Oh!
Nasa sasakyan mo. Ay, Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, tata!
It's Lolo.
Kilala mo ako?
What's that? Lolo.
What?
It's Lolo. Say hi to Lolo. Lolo Ben.
Hi, Mama Bear. And where's your car?
You're handsome.
Your car.
What are you doing there, huh?
I'm in the garage.
Where's your car? Where's your daddy cars?
Ang kanya, turo mo.
Right here.
Where's your car? Where's your car? Oh, come on. Over there. Come on, you go there. You show to Lolo.
Siguro, ikaw mo, guys.
Sino, Ronel?
Mendoza.
Anak ni Hendry, ni Gina. Sino ba Mendoza pa din?
Mamaya, ipapasa ko sa yung picture para makita mong mukha. Kilala ka eh.
Oo. Wala naman din nakakakilala sa akin.
Kaya nga, kaya kilala ka. Ayun, balak ka.
Where are you going?
Outside.
Kanina, aray,
Hi, Bug.
Kapogi.
High vlog.
High vlog din.
Apply ka.
Where are you going?
Nakapatid.
Punta muna kami ng bayan, guys. Gagala muna.
Saan tayo?
Sa may, park or di kaya dun sa may lake.
Sa may lake.
Oo. Or dun tayo sa may yate. Hindi ka pa nakapunta doon? Yun lang.
Saan tayo? First.
Sa may yate.
Saan yun? Saan ang daan?
Doon sa may babaan.
Babaan.
Sa may art gallery.
Doon tayo papark sa may park mismo.
So, iikot ka para doon ka...
Sige, ikaw muna lang.
Doon sa may park. Yan, guys. Mga yate, guys. Yak. Yate. Dito kami nadaan, guys. kami doon, guys. Dito kami ngayon sa may port, guys. Punta kami sa park, guys. Malamig dun sa may lake. Super lamig. Ang hangin pati. Bahay kami, guys. Nagpalit lang kami ng sasakyan.
Mayaman.
Mayaman. Kasi, ano nga ba ng sasakyan kasi ni Kuya Rizal ay, nahihirapan magdala ang asawa ko. Dahil sa battery? Hybrid. Hindi kami sanay sa hybrid. Kaya sinauli muna namin at mahirap na. Hindi amin. Pinaalagaan laang. Kinuha din namin yung ano niya. Cup. Kasi ang init na malamig. Mainit, guys, pero super lamig kanina sa may lake. Kaya sabi ko tara na sa taas at pababa kasi yung lake. Nasa ano lang sila, guys, sa mag-ama ko. Nasa Luna Sorbet. Bumibili ng ice cream. Ayaw magpaiwan ni Odis, guys. Ang daming tao, super. May mga nagliliguan. Traffic talaga, guys. Ang daming tao sa park. Nasa park kami ngayon. Ang daming tao. Yan, nandun sa Luna. Sasaka kami sa train, guys. Ubusin ko lang to. Mag-ama, bibili ng ticket.
Thank you.
Sasakay namin ng train. So, excited. Are you excited? Yeah? You're excited?
Last ride for the day, eh?
Yeah, I'll do the last one. All aboard! Last train of the 1st of January 2024. Next one will be the 2nd of January. And it's not us. We're getting a day off. Last train to Kingdom Kong or wherever.
Lots of noise in the tunnel. Big kids do.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate.
Downtown.
Napunta kami ngayon guys sa ano. Parang boardwalk. Ang init. What? Hangin dito guys. KFC. Tired na daw yung anak ko guys. Pupunta daw siya dito.
No, I will hold you.
Like it here, Biba?
Yung nga natin pinatong yan, dulong yun ano?
Saan?
Yun?
Yan?
Oo.
Oo. Yan yun. So windy. Windy.
Where are we going now? Come on, let's go. Hello, sa McDonald's.
Saan?
McDonald's.
Where's my ticket?
Saan?
Huh? Here. Okay.
There's one ticket.
Ang isip na yung dalawa. Punta daw kami dun sa McDonald's guys. McDonald's. Walang Jollibee dito guys. McDonald's lang.
The McDonald's at the bar.
Yeah. McDonald's. Daming tao guys.
Ano yun?
Ha?
Ano sa'yo?
Rice lang. Rice.
You ready ako price? Already.
So, mainit ang price.
Ha?
Siya? Gusto ulit.
Kanina. Hindi, meron na kanina. Nakapag-order na nga siya ng solo niya.
Siya tayo sa my airplane guys. Odi.
You taste it. I will get your price.
Harap po this. Odi. Odi.
Kamayo ka, pumunta ka doon.
Mamaya. Odi.
Kakin mo na ganyan. Hindi ka kakainin? Hindi mo na kakainin, sayang yan, kami pa. Dali mo na lang.
Pray na kami guys. Tapos na kami ng McDonald's. Howdy! Bye, let's go. Sana umuwi ni Odis. You wanna go home now, baby?
No.
You wanna get the water?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Water only?
Yeah.
Are you thirsty? Huh?
Yes.
Okay. Pinat na yun. Ganda ng painting doon. Nagpabuhat na guys. KFC. Napagod na si Boy. Gala. New Year. Gagala. Grabe ang hangin naman. Subway.
Oh, I didn't see this hot.
It's not funny here. It's not sunny. Hold on.
Tatawag kami kay Baby Zeppy.
Hi, baby!
Hi, baby!
Hi!
Say hi!
Happy New Year, baby!
Happy New Year, baby Zeppy.
Hi! Say hi!
What's that?
Baby Zeppy.
What's that? It's Kuya Odis. Yeah, it's Kuya Odis.
Yeah,
Ang daldal na oh.
Hi!
Hi!
Huh? Ano daw sabi? What did you say, baby?
What did you say?
You talk to baby Seppi.
Baby Zeppy, what did you say?
Hmm? Ay!
Hey! Go, 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 go.
Say kiss. Flying kiss to baby Seppi. Eh! Ang taba-taba naman. Are you shy? Ay! Kuya Odis! Nasa
Ay! Makatawag ay!
Hi! Hi, brother baby Seppi. I will pop your balloons. Oh, you say?
Ay, giging!
Happy New Year.
And-
Boom, 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 game.
Na, di madungog. Saba, day mo diha. Ah.
Happy New Year, kuya.
Hi, Gracie. Hi, Gracie.
Yeah, tita.
Hi, Gracie.
Ito siya.
Here's my balloons, color gold.
Come go.
Asa mama? Ano na?
Ha? Tulog.
Bawal.
Happy New Year, mama.
My balloon.
Ano, Jay?
Pinapakita kanyang balloons lang.